So boom, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to try and spray this boot lip spoiler for the Toyota Crown. Hopefully it turns out a bit decent and hopefully it can make the rear end of the Toyota Crown just a little bit better. Also, if we get time today, I also bought a roof spoiler as well, so I might spray this if we have enough time and enough paint as well. But our main priority is to get this boot lip spoiler sprayed, so let's go. Alright, so we're still going to go through the normal process of painting. We're going to use primer, base coat and clear coat as well. So I don't expect too much from this job as I don't even have the color match for the Toyota Crown. So this is just a normal gloss black, the $5, $10 one you get off your local automotive store. So I don't expect too much, but hopefully it turns out decent. I kind of regret not going to get a color match, but it is what it is. And also the clear coat, hopefully this is good enough, because I did hear people say to use a 2K and the one with the hardener. I'm not too sure what this one is rated at, but yeah, I guess it will do for now. It's just a quick DIY job for now anyways, and then if it turns out decent or if I'm not happy with it, we can always redo the process. Alright, so new day today guys. We have just finished doing all the sanding. Now we can do the fun stuff of spraying the primer and the color. So here it is, everything is now all done. We're in my backyard today because I couldn't miss stuff, moving the cars so I don't get the overspray on it. But everything is now sanded and we should be good to paint. So I don't know how this is going to turn out. The weather is peaking, but it's only 13 degrees, so not ideal for spray painting. That is why I got some warm water to dip the paint in to hopefully help me with the results. And hopefully this turns out decent. Like I said, I'm not the best at spraying. For some reason, every time I spray, it always finishes with like a shiny matte finish. Never a full gloss, so hopefully this does well. Like I said, I should have got the 2K clear coat, but it is what it is. Just a quick project, and yeah, let's start with the primer first and then let's go. Alright, so I'm going to cut the video right here. I don't know how to explain this, but I cooked the paint job. So I won't be installing the spoiler on the video today, unfortunately. I kind of wish I could, but the results aren't there for me to actually put it on the car. So basically what happened was, instead of drying to like a nice glossy finish, it actually dried with like a hazy look, as you guys can see right here. Hazy, foggy, cloudy look. I think the painter's term is blushing or milky or milking. So basically what happened was, it got too cold outside when I was spraying. I was spraying about 5:36 p.m. and I think it was only like 9 degrees. And the worst thing was I was almost done. So I sprayed my second last coat of clear coat. I saw a bit of fog just in the corners, but I thought, it was cold, so I thought if I spray another layer over it, it would disappear. So I went for a full heavy coat. Next minute, 1 hour later, come back, and it dried up how I last left it. Look at that. As you guys can see, it is actually hella foggy. It just looks dusty, but it's actually not. Like, yeah, I don't know what happened. It should be like this, like as you guys can see, a nice glossy finish, but it's got like a haze to it, so can't really run it. The bottom is good though, as you guys can see up close. Here is half good, but like I said, failed video. Hey, I did Google how to fix this. People say you can try and polish it, buff it out, so I think I'm going to do that next time off camera. But for now, I guess, yeah, we might be restarting the whole process, but yeah, I might test fit the car, we'll see. If not, yeah. So anyways, that's gonna do it for today's video. Unfortunately, I couldn't install it. Apologies for this video. If you guys did, however, enjoy, you know, the process of me doing it, make sure to give this video a fat like, PHAT, and comment it down below if you guys know how to fix this. If anyone knows how to fix this, let me know, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Laters.